Hey guys, in today's video, we'll show you how to make the yummiest fried chicken. It's chicken fried with Cafreal Masala. Here's what you will require. 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of Cafreal Masala, juice from half a lemon, and chicken legs. Link to the Cafreal Masala is in the description box down below. Let's begin. Make deep cuts on the chicken legs. Coat the chicken with salt. Add the lemon juice and mix well. Let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the Cafreal Masala. Coat it well and let it marinate for 2 to 3 hours. Let's start with the frying. Add the chicken to the heated oil. Add a little bit of water. Cover it and let it cook.